Showbiz fanatics, Alden Richards finally address ang tunay na dahilan kung bakit naroroon siya sa kaarawan ni Miss Catherine Bernardo. Ang lahat ng yan. But before that, if you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe at hit mo na rin ang notification bell for more showbiz updates. Bago tayo magpatuloy, of course, nais ko magpasalamat sa inyo for always keep watching, supporting this channel, and for always giving your feedbacks and comments with regards to our latest updates. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood at maraming salamat din po sa inyong pag-subscribe sa channel natin para po kayo po ang unang makapanood sa mga updates patungkol kay Catherine and Alden Richards. And now, let's talk about our topic for today's video. Dahil nakakaloka nga ang ilan sa mga interview na ganap kagabi sa 24 oras kung saan may tahasang inamin si Alden Richards na for being shipped to Catherine Bernardo. Narito po yung kanyang statement, no? Kung bakit nga ba siya spotted sa birthday ni Catherine.
It was part of her birthday celebration, so with friends and family. Masaya naman yung naging experience, and you can see how happy Kath is right now.
Tinutokso kayo online eh.
Hindi lang din talaga kailangan laging ipamalita sa social media yung mga ganyan eh, but you know, sometimes yung mga personal things that's happening, better be personal na lang.
Alden Richards has finally addressed his viral interaction with his Hello Love Goodbye co-star Catherine Bernardo, where he surprised the actress with a bouquet of red roses at her surprise birthday party. Alden Richards said Bernardo party was meant to be a post-birthday celebration with her family and close friends in 24 hours. Interview aired on Wednesday, April 10. Sabi niya, I was invited syempre and it was part of her post-birthday celebration with friends and family. Masaya naman yung naging experience, and you can see how happy Kat is right now. He said, referring to the actress by her nickname. I was invited and of course it was part of her post-birthday celebration with friends and family, and I was a happy event. The experience made me happy, and you can see how happy Kat is right now. The Kapuso star also pointed out that what you see is what you get. When asked about netizens rooting him to take his friendship with Bernardo further, hindi lang din talaga kailangan lagi pinamamalita sa social media yung mga ganyan. You know, sometimes yung mga personal things that happening, better be personal na lang, he added. You don't have to be open about everything on social media, you know, sometimes with the personal things. Meanwhile, Bernardo has yet to speak up about their interaction as of this writing. Richards was also among the celebrity guests invited to a very good girl star birthday party in El Nido, Palawan, which was also attended by Kakay Bautista, Maymay Entrata, and Jericho Rosales, to name a few. So ilan lamang yan sa mga sinabi at mga pasabog nitong si Mr. Alden Richards. Ano kaya yung tungkol po dun sa what you see is what you get? Kasi tinanong po siya ng isa sa mga nag-i-interview sa kanya, and then inask nga siya kung ano na ba yung real score nila ni Miss Catherine Bernardo, pero hindi niya po yung tahasang sinagot kasi sabi niya hindi naman po kailangan na ipangalandakan pa sa publiko kung ano man po yung meron sila ni Catherine. Parang ginagaya niya po yung siguro dahil nakatrabaho niya itong si Julia Montes. If you remember Julia, nagkaroon po sila ng movie ni Alden Richards, at ang naging arrangement ni Julia at ni Coco Martin na never po silang umamin sa public kung ano po yung nakikita ninyo, kung gaano sila ka-sweet. Yun na po ang magkukumpirma na talagang may namamagitan sa kanilang dalawa. Ganon po yung gusto na form ni Alden Richards na gustong maunawaan ng publiko. Kaya sinabi niya na what you see is what you get. So kung ano po yung nakikita ninyo, yun na po yun. Parang ganon in layman's terms, sa ating pong terms, diba? Blockbuster direct Cathy Garcia Sampana reacted to a rumors that Alden Richards is now courting Catherine Bernardo. In an interview with the media recently, Cathy said she has no knowledge about it. Hindi ibig sabihin na madalas magsama ay nagliligawan na. Pwede namang pure friendship, she said. Pwede ring simula ng something, but wala po tayong alam doon, she clarified. Cathy directed the blockbuster film Hello, Love, Goodbye starring Kathryn and Alden. Alden was recently asked by 24 Oras the real score between him and Kathryn. Alam naman po natin na ang lahat ng relasyon, the best foundation of any relationship is always a friendship. At alam natin na nung ginagawa nila yung Hello, Love, Goodbye, ang lakas po ng impact po nila sa publiko. Kaya nga po itong si Mr. Daniel Padilla noon, grabe yung kanyang selos na naramdaman. Diba may pagkakataon na dinedma niya si Alden nung nagkita po sila. Kasi parang naiintindihan naman natin si Daniel kung ba't niya ginawa yun. Kasi syempre nga naman, diba, hindi naman sila friend ni Alden, 'di ba? Para makipagplastikan siya ng ganun, which is understandable naman siya. So, yun lang medyo tayo dito sa sinasabi ni Alden Richards. So, what you see is what you get. Hindi lang din talaga kailangan laging ipamalita, 'di ba? Na hindi na po nila kailangan pang isigaw sa social media yung mga ganyan. Kailangan po pinipersonal po nila kasi minsan kapag masyado ng maraming nalalaman ng publiko patungkol sa dalawang relationship, lalo na pag sa showbiz, sinisira ng public so much better na tama yung ginagawa ni Alden, na kung ano man yung nakikita or ano man po yung pinapakita nila sa publiko, much better na talagang isikreto na lang muna nila, no? Pero syempre sa mga actions and sa mga sinasabi nila, doon natin sila mababasa, doon na talaga natin maririnig yung tunay na estado ng kanilang relationship. So, whatever it is, diba, we are really happy na parang napaka-vocal po ni Alden Richards sa pagsasabi. Kasi parang kumbaga kung si Kathryn naman po yung magsasalita niyan sa publiko, parang unethical, diba? Hindi naman ganong klase ng babae si Kathryn. So, ang isang lalaki po ang dapat nagsasalita, imbis na yung babae. Baka sabihin po, diba, parang ang cheap naman ni Kathryn para po siya po yung magsalita on behalf of Alden Richards. So, this time talagang nakakahanga po yung ginawa ni Alden. Hindi niya kailangan i-deny, wala siyang dapat i-deny, wala din siyang dapat aminin sa publiko. Dahil according po sa mga nakapaligid sa kanila, there is something special between Alden Richards and Kathryn base po dun sa mga statement ni Alden and Miss Cathy Garcia. So, kung pure friendship man yung kanilang pinapakita ngayon, sabi nga, diba, yun po, dun po kasi talaga nagsisimula at wala namang masama dahil single po si Alden, single din naman si Kathryn Bernardo. So, antayin na lang natin yung pinaka-best time in God's perfect time, no, na ibibigay ng Diyos para kay Kathryn na deserve niya. Pero ang hiling po ng ilan sa mga Katden fans na sana si Alden Richards na yun, di ba? Kasi parang for the longest time, ang haba na ng panahon na si Alden ay single. At ngayon, si Kathryn nasa healing process siya. So, ano pong sa loob ninyo patungkol dito? Comment down below. Salamat po sa panonood. And kung hindi ka pa nakapag-like, share, subscribe, don't forget to like and subscribe. And please don't forget to follow my Facebook page, Dar Eds TV. God bless everyone!